We've mapped deserts, climbed Everest, and even sent spacecraft beyond our solar system. But beneath us lies a vast and alien world, one we've barely glimpsed. Only 0.01% of the ocean floor has ever been seen with human eyes. Let that sink in. That's about the size of Rhode Island, or a mere tenth of Belgium, out of our entire oceanic planet. What could possibly be hiding down there? Today, we dive into the greatest mystery on Earth, the deep sea. The average depth of Earth's oceans is over 12,000 feet. That's more than 2 miles deep. And at those depths, sunlight disappears, pressure multiplies, and temperatures plummet. Until very recently, we simply didn't have the tools to go there. But here's the kicker. Even though we've mapped about 26% of the seafloor with sonar, visual documentation, actually seeing the terrain and life forms down there, is practically non-existent. Scientists estimate that 2/3 of ocean species, possibly up to 1 million, haven't even been discovered yet. And that doesn't include the microbes. Imagine alien-like creatures living at the bottom of the sea, with adaptations that defy everything we know about biology. Some ecosystems may hold the key to new medicines, oxygen-generating mechanisms, or even clues to the origin of life itself. But here's the problem. Most visual surveys have been carried out within 200 nautical miles of just 3 countries, the US, Japan, and New Zealand. Why should we care about the ocean floor? Isn't it just mud and rock? Actually, no. The deep sea plays a crucial role in regulating our planet's systems. It absorbs heat and carbon from the atmosphere. It influences global climate patterns. It even helps generate oxygen. And yet, we make policy decisions about the oceans with a shockingly limited understanding of them. Right now, there's growing interest in deep-sea mining, especially in resource-rich areas like the Clarion-Clipperton Zone. This region alone has revealed hundreds of new species, and it's also targeted for extracting rare earth minerals used in smartphones, batteries, and electric vehicles. But if we mine first and ask questions later, we risk destroying fragile ecosystems before we even discover them. Under President Donald Trump's administration, efforts to accelerate US involvement in deep-sea mining drew sharp criticism from scientists worldwide. At the current rate, it would take over 100,000 years to visually explore the entire ocean floor. Let that sink in. Again, a fundamental shift is needed. We need more countries, more institutions, and more innovations in deep-sea tech, like autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, and AI-driven data analysis. Imagine using AI to map biodiversity hotspots or predict unseen ecosystems before ever sending a vessel down. The future of deep-sea exploration may lie in open ocean data sharing, international partnerships, public-private collaborations. Projects like Seabed 2030, an ambitious global effort to fully map the ocean floor by the end of the decade, offer hope. But mapping isn't enough. We must see, study, and understand the ocean's depths with the same intensity we bring to space or climate science. Beneath the waves lies a world stranger and more mysterious than any science fiction. And we've barely dipped our toes in. If we want to protect the oceans, harness their potential, and truly understand our planet, we have to look deeper. Literally. Subscribe if you want more insights into the unseen corners of Earth, and drop a comment. What do you think we'll find in the deep ocean?